Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my present. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hokindaro Santoso and I am from South Jakarta. Since the United Nations has level panel announced its vision for the post development agenda in May. Most of the debate has focused on the lack of goal regarding inequality on the 15 goals proposed on the final list. Indonesia President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono comment on the goal in Jakarta last June, stressing that the principle of leaving no one behind is at the heart of the final vision and is of the United Nations goal forces on addressing inequality. In fact, the process educational goal include a commitment to ensure fair skill under all circumstances, complete basic instruction so that he can read, read and count will enough to meet minimum learning standards. Effort to narrow education inequalities are stricter and can form the basis for more inclusive development. The difference in the quality of education and the direction of schooling that a child receives will affect life in the future. Children who fail to master basic skills are more likely to have friends and low-paying jobs. Compared to children who leave school equipped with the skill reckoned on today's labor market. In some countries, however, large disparities in educational and are common. Likewise, in Indonesia, our children born in Papua leave school after approximately 6 years of education, compared to a child in Jakarta who is expected to complete 11 years of schooling. Difference is in learning environment can be preserved. Junior high school student in Bali exit and afraid of Indonesian exam. Compared to students in some areas in Kalimantan who only score less than most of the global score athletes lacks score and numerical distribution as scores of international. But there is part of the story in Indonesia. In the past decades, government in education has tripled substantial. A rate of incident not seen in many other countries. Some of the forest regions spend heavily on education for its school age skill. For example, some local government in Papua, one of Indonesia's forest functions, spend as much as country in Eastern Europe, which rank most high on international assessment of learning achievement. Most of the global system lacks of research and unequal distribution as cause of additional inequality. But this is part of the story in Indonesia. In the past decade, government investment in education has tripled substantially. A rate of increase not seen in many other continents. Some of the poorest regions spend heavily on education for a school child. For example, some local governments in Papua, one of Indonesia's foreign provinces, spend almost as course in certain Europe which rank Maastricht on international assessments of learning achievement. So what can a middle income country like Indonesia do to address education inequality? So one can a middle income country like Indonesia do to address educational inequality? The World Bank Office Jakarta has just released a survey of the quality of education governance in local government in Indonesia, which agrees that all of to rural inequality should focus on strengthening the capacity of local government to deliver quality education service for all children. Since the Skansen reform innocent, local government have assumed represented by administration and most of the business of basic education. The report showed that the priority given to education, the quality of applied inputs, and their instrument tends to be better in local government with better government qualities. In education, local government that allow local participation in the planning process requires in a more transparent and accountable management system. Increasing insurance for education personnel then to lead to better achievement and ensuring that teachers are better equipped to provide quality education for all. However, the report also found that local education government has only improved slightly in the last 3 years. In some areas, government suffered a setback. For example, the number of local governance, central education, and sustaining good practice example has fallen definitely in university planning. Also, efforts to increase community participation. For example, only 22% of local government consider that school development for us in the education planning process in the regions. Local government participating in the study are also part of Ministry of Education and Culture program dictionary for safety building. Will this study help some especially at the school level? Operating at the local government management level is more modest. To implement loss for the experience of implementation of safety building programs such as TEADS. With a multi-sectoral approach to safety building instead Office of Education official recognition that many of the main challenges relate to system at the local company level, like planning and budgeting system, rather than specialty to the education system. However, the education piece is often follows others idea of constant. The big message is that strengthening government and management of local education system can help narrow education inequality. It can also help Indonesia lay the ground for ensuring that no child is left behind while the now development agenda is underway. And this my expression. Bye bye. Thank you.